Hi everyone, my name is Chidema of New Beauty Empire. You are highly welcome to my channel. So I'm starting off this week with this 7x7 human hair closure. So I'm going to attach the human hair closure 7x7 to my wig cap as usual, and after that I will cut off the cap underneath the closure. Then I will come back and talk to you guys again. So this is the hairstyle I'm going to recreate into a wig, and I have already sewn down my closure to my wig cap. So I'm going to first of all do the closure parts. I will make a kind of two-step on the closure part, because that wig you saw there, that hairstyle you saw is a deep part hairstyle. So that's why I'm using this 7x7 closure, and the owner wants me to use the woman hair. I bought this woman hair. Okay, so this is me making the first layer on the closure. Then after making the first layer, I will make the second layer. This is a multicolor braiding hairstyle, which you guys will see at the end of the video. And if you want to see the color, how I added the color, attached the colors, and what they look like at the end result, you have to stay tuned. Okay, don't go out, keep watching. You will see everything at the end of this video. And again, if you're interested in ordering any wig from me or closures, feel free to check the description box or check the number on the screen here. That's my WhatsApp number. You can contact me for both wholesale and retail. Okay, so guys, keep watching, and if you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment what you think. And also, if you have not subscribed yet, at the end of the video, if you like what you watch, please consider subscribing so that you will not be missing out on my posts. And once again, once you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notifications so you'll be among the first people to get notified once I upload new video. now as you can see, I've already started adding the colors. I'll first add I'm going to show you how short I cut the hairs, the colors. I cut them as short as possible. This is the red, the green, the yellow. So I'm going to first start with the green, followed by the yellow, then red, and lastly the black. You cut the colors according to how you want, or I don't know, but just cut the colors as short as possible. So I'm going to add in the colors. The one I'm going to show you guys, I have done something like this before, though the owner of this wig requested for 2 styles but the same color. So I have done the feather style. I have done it here on my YouTube channel, which you can check the card somewhere, or at the end of the video go watch that one also. So this is how I'm adding the colors to the hair, and the more I add, the longer the hair the wig becomes. So after adding the colors, I'm going to do 1 or 2 samples to show you how I am adding the colors, then I will show you the final results. And once I'm done braiding the hair, adding the colors, I'll go ahead off camera, to trim the hair, dip the wig in hot water, then the final result. I will not come and show you how to trim the hair, which I know it's not a new thing. Everybody knows how to trim hair with a pair of scissors. I'm also not going to show you how to dip the hair in hot water, which is a normal thing and it's very simple that you can do on your own. So just after here, I'll go off camera to do the rest, and this is the finished result. This is what the wig looks like. You can see how neat the wig looks, how natural. I'm going to still wear it on my head to see what it looks like on my head. This is the length of the wig, and this is what the inside of the wig. It comes with an adjustable strap. Okay, this is what the wig looks like on my head. So guys, if you have watched it this moment, thank you so much for watching. And for those who have supported me by patronizing me, by watching my videos, I really appreciate you. I'm grateful. I say may God bless you all. This is what the wig looks like. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to this moment, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you get notified whenever I upload new video. So guys, I'm so grateful and I'm happy. Thank you every one of you for your support. I'm so grateful. I hope to see you all in my next video. Okay, I'm super happy and grateful. Like I said, she ordered for 2 different wigs, the same style. These are the wigs she ordered for. Thank you so much for your patronage. Thank you every one of you for your support. Thank you so much. So guys, I'm going to leave you guys here, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Till then, remain blessed and stay fabulous. Bye.